green flags, no first year flower. One of the green flags is sense of service and sense of friendship, respect. For me, respect and someone who truly respect your time, respect your rhythm, respect where you are now, not pushing, not imposing, and listening. Someone who listens to you, someone who is ready to listen attentively, to spend time just to be with, you know.
When somebody is honest, that way I could also be honest to that person, and and allows me to grow outside of the relationship.
Is good communication. Kay for me, you need to communicate if what's wrong, say ganahan mo.
The green flag, most of all, prayerful and hardworking, and most especially is firming mo update nga tao.
A partner who listens to you when you talk.
Okay.
For me naman is a partner who trusts, like respects your life before the relationship and your friends and so on.
Kanang mag-away mo unya siya jud na ang mouna o kuan ang magsuyo sa imuha unya dili bitaw paton ug ugma inyong away.
First of all, cheater.
When one is very controlling or doesn't really trust me with what I'm doing outside of the relationship.
One, avoiding big questions, and I mean, someone who is not really true in what he say or she say.
It's the opposite. No communication at all. If you don't communicate what you feel, what you need, dili gyud ma-flourish ang relationships.
Red flags. I think a person who is on their phone too much when you're together.
Yes, and for me, I think one red flag is when you have a partner who doesn't really update you his whereabouts.
It makes you feel not enough kana bitaw kanang ma-feel nimo nga dili ka enough para niya kana mangita pa siya lain or example dili ka niya dayon or kuan something like